Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works and it's super insane, bro. Hey guys, so today in this video I'll be showing you a Gossip Harbor hack for iOS and Android. So let me just open up the game and show you that it is legit. So as you can see, we are pretty poor, but when you press this button you can add free gems. So I just turned it all the way up, so let's see if the gems go up. So hopefully they do start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to get this Gossip Harbor hack for your device. So let's just see what happens. Alright, so nothing's going up, so I'm feeling kind of sad, but hopefully guys the resources start to rise. So let's see what happens on the Gossip. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you how to get this Gossip Harbor hack for your phone. It works on iOS, it works on Android. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do, go to the website tweakmod.com, go to the search bar, type in Gossip Harbor, type it in, press install, and before it downloads it's going to be verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so it's super cool, guys. This is fully updated for iOS and Android. So I'm just going to wait for it to load, and then we're going to see what is happening with our Gossip Harbor account. Alright, so it is almost done loading, and you can see the Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So anyway, now we are going to be going onto that page, and you can see it says missing files, so we just need to download 2 of these apps. They're all free, they're from the App Store. There's a video if you're confused, but for instance, Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. I could do Travel Town, Mode Casino, whatever, guys. Just do 2 of them. They're going to vary depending on your country, but that's how to get Gossip Harbor hack. The only thing I can say is make sure low power mode is turned off. Other than that, guys, you should be good to go. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, if you're interested in Gossip Harbor mod, definitely try us out. It's super wild, bro.